So this is what you have to do. So let's assume this is your assignment. Okay, now I'm on my Google Doc, so I'm gonna make this SkillBow Institute. Bootcamp. Okay, so we're talking about how to use the writing structure here. So what you have to do is highlight this. I want to make this a header. Okay, highlight, click on this button here, this A button. You are going to see style, font, size, paragraph. Okay, click on style. When you click on style, you are going to see the different headers here. So I want to make this a title. Okay, so I've written the title. Now I want to make this give it a subtitle, which is assignment. Okay, which is assignment, and I'm gonna highlight assignment, and I'll make this heading 1. Okay, now this is assignment 2, so let me just make this assignment 1. Assignment 1. Okay, so I'm gonna make this heading 2. Okay, so now under assignment 1 we have let's say we have a career direction orientation. Okay, now this is gonna be heading 3. Click on style, heading 3. I'm going to write information about it, which says the SkillBow Institute digital skill orientation is the best. Okay, now remember, this is the title, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, so, and this is heading 3, right? So let me put this in a way that you understand. We made this the title. Okay, now this is the header. Okay, so this is heading this is heading 1, depending on what you are working on. Okay, heading 1. Now assignment 1 is heading 2. Okay, so this is gonna be heading 2. Okay, so the body of your content or the project, whatever, the body of what you are writing, each of the topics or subtopics inside must be heading 2, and any subtopic under it should be heading 3, just like you can see that I'm doing here. This is heading 3. Okay, now let's assume that we are done with this, and then we have the second point, which is assignment 2. Of course, just like you're saying now, assignment 2 is going to be heading 2. We're going to put this as heading 2, and we're going to have, let me put this heading 2. Okay, then what is assignment 2 about? it's about let's say write a summary, or let me say students are expected to write a summary about themselves. Now, sorry about that. So now let's make this before this write-up, let me put something there that says, I'm gonna correct that says student summary. Okay, so student summary is gonna be what? Heading 3. Yeah, you are correct. Sorry, it's gonna be heading 3. Okay, then this write-up right here, it's gonna be the heading 3. So let me students are expected to write a summary. Okay, now this is how you're going to go about it. Of course, this is heading 3. Okay, then assignment 3. Assignment 3. Style heading 2. Yeah. So this is how you're going to structure everything. If you have point A, point B, all of this is going to be under let me do that again. If you have A, point B, all of these points, it's cleaning. Let me this is gonna be what? Heading 3. Anything you put here should be heading 3. Then you have a conclusion. Now this your conclusion has to be heading 2. Okay, so this is how to use it on your phone. This is how to use it to structure your writing. For those asking, what about heading 4? If under this career direction orientation, okay, if there is, let's say, I want to write some points that was discussed in the career direction, I would say writing style was taught. Make this I. Writing style was taught. Anything under this was gonna be the heading 4. Okay, it's gonna be heading 4. Style heading 4. I believe that this is understandable. Sorry. So okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so you're gonna have a title, a heading 1, any main write-up. The body of the write-up is gonna have heading 2, heading 3 under heading 2. If there is a sub for under this under that topic, you can have I, writing style, or 1 or 2 depending on how you want to number your work. When you have another major point, you make that heading 2, and every other information under this is going to be heading 3, just like that until you are done with your work. If you have a conclusion, you write conclusion, and that conclusion has to be heading 2. So I hope that this was really helpful. So let me know, try this. I'm going to write your assignment now and post on the group. Let me know if you were able to do this on your end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.